Listen, my sister, life no be shortcut race. No, no, no. Oh, yeah. Listen, my brother, listen, my sister, life no be shortcut race. No, 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 no. Everybody want shine overnight. Everybody want fly without a flight. Looking for the treasure without the map. Building castles that are made to collapse. Instagram gold and designer shoes, but your foundation you they lose. A tree without roots cannot survive. A dream without work cannot stay alive. Slow down or rush your season. Every harvest got a reason. The strongest house is built with time, brick by brick, until it shines. Riches without hard labor are beautifully painted coffins. Gold on the outside, shining bright, but empty when you look inside. Money alone cannot save your soul. Discipline must make you whole. My brother, understand. True wealth is built by your own hands. Hey, oh, built by your own hands. Oh, built by your own hands. Some people borrow tomorrow today, just to impress for one display. Big car parked in front of the gate, but heavy debts they cannot escape. Don't skip planting to harvest crops, so one day everything will stop. The river flows because it moves. Nothing grows without its roots. Hey, patience is a hidden treasure. Slow success will always last longer. Storms may come, storms may blow. Deep foundations help you grow. Riches without hard labor are beautifully painted coffins. Gold on the outside, shining bright, but empty when you look inside. Money alone cannot save your soul. Wisdom must make you whole. My sister, understand. True wealth is built by your own hands. Work, 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 work while nobody is watching. Built while nobody is clapping. The palm tree never hurries, yet it stands for generations. Character before possessions, hey. Purpose before attention, hey. Because what is built with patience can survive every season. Riches without hard labor, yeah. Beautifully painted coffins, yeah. Gold on the outside cannot hide the emptiness that's deep inside. Prosperity is more than gold. It's the story of values told. Build your life the proper way, and your legacy will always stay. Oh, build your life the proper way, and your legacy will always stay. Oh,
No can hurry up long come up money man something you working quick by this quick to planning past time. Behind you nap kissing kai kai. Strong fella life me no survey come long la. Me survey come long hard work. Na good fella passing.